Good morning, we are back again. I've decided that I think that our life isn't really that interesting, but it's kind of fun to do this, don't you think? Has it been fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, I sensed some hesitation in your tone.
Well, I know we now have to explain why there's no surprise for anyone who was watching the previous episode. And I know they're gonna be like, where's the surprise? Mm-hmm. You lied to us. You lied to us. You lied to us.
We didn't mean to lie, we just postponed. I'm gonna be a little bit transparent. All you females out there will understand the monthly nightmare, and I just woke up and I was like, I don't, if we're gonna have a surprise, like, shouldn't it be enjoyable? Mm-hmm. So if I can enjoy it more tomorrow, doesn't that make it okay to postpone? I mean, it is my surprise. Whoops.
I guess that's true.
I just dropped my phone in a quarter. Anyways, you want to tell them what we're doing?
We're going to go get food.
Mm-hmm. And explain why we're not cooking.
Because she doesn't cook.
That's a lie.
I need a new model.
I've grown in the kitchen.
She's gotten better.
I've been trying really hard.
Proud of her.
Thank you. But do you ever just wake up and go, oh, I just can't?
See, wasn't my answer a bit better than, your fun place is bleeding?
Oh my gosh, that's my danger zone. That's disgusting. I love you.
I'm not the one making it bleed. I love you too.
That's arguable, but anyways.
I'm not the one who bit the apple.
Neither was I.
No, but your representative did.
This is too much. Anyways, so we are on our way to Subway for what I like to consider the healthy takeout lunch. I'm not sure if anyone would argue that or not. I'm sure there are some people who are like, it's just as bad. But it's not hamburgers and fries, so it's good, right?
Yeah.
No. But I do have, I won't speak for you, but I know that I have like some fitness goals coming up that I would like to speak to them about that I think would be like an interesting journey to watch. And I would like the opportunity to be accountable. Our dog's in the back if you can see her. Excuse the mess. Jazzy! Oh, you know your name! But anyway, so this is our lives. Most of the time it's not very exciting, but it's our life and we love it and we're happy to share it with you. Right, babe?
Yep.
Say hi, Jasmine. Say hi. This is our co-pilot. Yes, she is.
And here we are on our walk.
Hi. It's raining, but we got our water, so we got lots of water.
Yep. See all that rain? That sideways rain? Welcome to Oregon.
See that dog? We're saying goodbye to her.
Yeah. So,
for any of you with pets, do you ever get that feeling like they're just always at your feet and then it gets you like, some days it just gets you stressed out?
oh yeah.
So I feel like she needed some air and we needed to get some air.
But anyway, this is us staying committed to our goals, regardless of what the weather is like. We hope you stay tuned to see all of our changes, all of our growth, all of our hard effort.
All of our missing double chins, if you know what I mean. I won't be looking for them.
You are way too hard on yourself. Proud of you for trying hard. Show them the water.
Jasmine!
Show them the water.
Jasmine!
Baby.
What?
Show them the water.
I'm not drinking any right now, though. I'm kind of cold.
So anyway, that's it for us right now. We will probably be seeing you in a few seconds inside the house. We got some fun stuff to do.
We're trying a new recipe tonight.
Not trying to bait you into anything, just more trying to explain why we went from inside to outside to inside again, because this thing is not waterproof and it is getting extremely wet. Bye.
Bye. Okay, excuse the water on the lens. Our camera got a little wet when we were out for our walk, which you saw a second ago, but which was like about an hour and a half maybe for us.
Yeah.
Well, anyways, we just got out of the grocery store. We are trying to practice what I preached, and I'm signing up my husband for that. So we gathered some things. We're going to try a healthy beef stew recipe with some Italian sausage instead of the beef. We got some things for clam chowder. And for one of my grandma's recipes, linguine and clam sauce. And we also got the fixings that we need for this chicken meal that I make. So, yeah, so I don't know. That's about it. Do you have anything else you need to say?
Yes, of course. I'm trying to rush us off. We got like a lot of time and we got burned. For some reason, somebody's just like being in all rush today.
Because I want to eat my candy bar. I'm just kidding.
But yeah, sorry we were not able to take you in there. It's just a downpour out there right now. Hopefully this isn't being picked up too much. All the rain and sound and stuff like that.
But yeah, it's really just like messy out there. If you guys can tell, it's dark and dreary and just a mess.
Yeah, this is home for me. I love home. I know a lot of people are just like, really? Why? But I love this completely. Just like I love this woman, even though she is bat crap crazy.
Love you.
Love you. So yeah, today was one of our big steps of going 100% towards our goals of being healthier, fitter, and moving forward on a lot of our life dreams.
Exhibit A, you see water bottles in the cup holders, no Cokes.
Yes, we have cut out all caffeine. Like we've slowly started to wean ourselves off soda for some time now. Because we're avidly addicted. But yeah, we're taking that switch and just completely shutting it off. Right?
There's Goodwill, it's my favorite place, aside from the library.
And that's where my entire check goes every single month.
Love you.
I love you too.
But yeah, I don't know. I am not like my husband. I don't particularly like this weather. It just makes me feel yucky. It makes me feel like I, don't want to get out of bed. It's very hard to be productive in this weather, I feel.
I feel like it's hard not to be productive in this weather. Because, you're not going anywhere special. This is not beach weather.
But all I want to do is, stay in my pajamas and, not get out from under the blankets. I just want to, hide. I'm so cold.
And great time to work on, YouTube stuff. Yay, video editing. Right?
Yay for people being bored.
And also, yay for viewing videos. Yay.
I think our dog just farted.
She always is farting. She's a fart factory. You think it's all the crap we feed her?
More like what your grandma feeds her.
Yeah, that makes sense. But anyway, yeah. Today was an interesting day, wouldn't you say so, sweetie?
I would. But I'm excited that this day has hopefully will go down in history as the first day of the rest of our lives. Don't draw attention to it.
I love you.
I love you.
So anyway, what are your goals for the evening before we finally turn in?
I know it's going to be too late to vacuum because there are other people that are going to be in bed, but I would really like to get the clean clothes. Like I got the laundry done. We got the laundry done.
Yeah.
You got the laundry done.
Yeah.
I just lied 3 times.
Yeah. Love the way you lie.
The laundry is done. I don't know who did it. We'll just leave it at that. But anyways, so I would like to get the clean laundry finally out of the baskets and into the doors so that hopefully tomorrow I can vacuum and I don't know. I really want to like change the sheets and stuff on the bed. It's starting to smell like dog.
Yeah, it is.
Because Jasmine comes in after like getting wet outside when she goes to the bathroom, and it just like smells like wet dog in the room. I really want to buy some Febreze or something like that. What are your goals for the rest of the night?
My goals is also no goals for like reading.
Oh yeah, actually I've been having the urge to start a new book. I've been having trouble. I've been trying to read The Host from Stephanie Meyer, and it just hasn't been a successful venture, so I feel like I just need to put that down for a second, read something else, get back in the swing of things, and then come back around to it. Because for some reason, I'm just having the hardest time reading this book.
Right.
And I don't even think that it's bad.
Have you saw just like putting it down for a little bit and yeah, looking at a new book?
That's what I'm thinking. Because like I haven't read in a long time because I've just been dreading like reading this book for some reason. Like I just never want to pick it up. So I need to give myself a chance to miss it. So I'm actually thinking about picking up Ruby Red by Kirsten Gear. I might be really lying, but anyways, it's a trilogy. There's Ruby Red, Sapphire Blue, Emerald Green. Maybe not in that order, but I have all 3 from the library. So I've been interested in reading it. So yeah, I might give that a go.
I like it. Now as for my goals.
I was like, what are you doing tonight?
I will be playing video games as soon as we get back. Just like non-stop video games. No.
But for people who aren't aware, my husband runs
co-runs as well as runs my own channel for gaming. We haven't launched anything yet. We're getting a lot of the ideas of what we want to do, how to kind of like stand out uniquely, and basically just like get things. So we're not just like throwing stuff out there and hoping that just stuff like sticks. But actually, what I do plan to go home and do is, of course, help you cook, get ready to put in like the crock pot for tomorrow's dinner. You'll get to see that. I don't know if I'll have time to like really draw tonight or not, but I do plan to finally finish Deadpool. One of the first graphic novels I decided to pick up in like forever. They would not let me look at it last night. My wife and my dog decided to just like constantly bother me, jumping on me, getting on me, poking me, taking my book, and would not let me finish my graphic novel.
That is not true.
That is absolutely true. I picked it up, I laid down, I got my glasses, I turned to the chapter that I was on, and then you would not leave me alone.
The dog was cuddling with you first, and then I got jealous.
And how much were you just like, here, come here, Jesse, come here, Jesse, come here, get on Papa, get on Papa. And then what am I supposed to do? Like, I got big, giant, heavy, brown, blackish thing on me that, like, literally is laying on my face.
Well, she fell asleep, like, literally the length of me when we actually did go to bed. Like, her snout was, like, under my chin. Like, she was literally just on top of me.
I noticed.
I love it, though. I get jealous when she snuggles with you instead of me.
But not when I'm trying to read stuff.
Okay. Well, tonight will be different, I promise. If you promise to come to bed before midnight.
No promises. really hope.
Fingers crossed.